So one thing woman will just have pitney. One thing woman will just have pitney. You need no trouble, nobody, you need no beg, you need no cook. From what you see, I come disrespect me to you. From what you see, I go like one bumbo class size up in a pops. Pops, I bet you go on, you know. Bet you bumbo class go on, because right now, me have a suck the mother. See me Isaiah mother, Isaiah mother now talk right now. And nobody can this blood class, Isaiah mother make me
go in my private bathroom and see one chunk load of shit in the commode. And not even toilet paper there in it slap me.
Feel good. Why man can't know say front? How the fuck you figure now and batty and kina teeth enjoy that? All if me a one man try.
Now I go and find live I know. Let them chew in the meantime.
Gold bathroom throne was stolen by 5 crims. Pretty good loot there. The golden potty was valued at around $6 million.
Long time. Me not no problem with she selling cigarette. I fear I think that me not. Why me go take her out the street of selling cigarette? When she and then she go still go back.
Backbush TV, like and subscribe and welcome back to another blog. And big support to my subscribers them, you know what I mean? Give thanks to Uno, you know what I mean? Because without Uno, channel would be nothing, you know what I mean? And give thanks for life, because without life, you are nothing. Backbush TV, like and subscribe with us jumping night, where we see that girl that really disgusting.
Me woman and me know say front feel good. Why man can't know say front?
She can't believe so much gay and so much nastiness really are going in Jamaica. So Backbush TV, like and subscribe with us jumping night and hear what she say. Mad.
Me woman and me know say front feel good. Why man can't know say front? How the fuck you figure now and batty and kina teeth enjoy that? All if me a one man trans, and me and him there, and me go find out, me a kill him bumbo clad, cause you supposed to tell me that pussy before you make me fall in love with you. Go suck your mother. Virgin in a right. I'm in a business who want burn me out in a right. And me know me alone feel so. Me know me alone feel so, boy issue I go on. You fix up man. Fix up man. The man them a low lolly out there self. What Jamaica go come to? And we everybody have we are everybody idol. Let's see Jamaican, we are everybody idol youth. America everywhere. We are Jamaica are everybody idol. We don't feel like say money not there. Money there. We not supposed to suffer so. But them a use the money the wrong set of thing them youth. Wrong set of thing them a use the money them do youth. Me a woman and me know say front feel good.
Backbush TV, like and subscribe. She not tell a lie. Amount of nastiness where we see I go on a Jamaica where them spend how much billions of dollars for just corrupt get a youth to turn them in and all sort of sitting. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We just jump in it and go and watch some video, because nobody can sell nothing like how a Jamaican would have sell some things. Look how the money I sell some socks, and look how him a go on. Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We just jump in it and see what I go on. Mad.
Socks man, 60 up here, half here, and them a wear. Just a come from one. You buy 2 pair like I did here, I never pick here. You want white, or the color too bright? You want black, you dip on TikTok. Grey, make a stop and pray. You buy 2 pair, or make it disappear. Talk to me clear. Some of them in that pop, just a come up on TikTok. When you have all them socks, you have to look back and then drop off of your foot back. Then tall you can play ball, you can jump wall, put them on the frame and fall. And when you name Paul, I wrong name at all. 60 up here. Hard fish here. You listen but you're not here. Here's what up here? 50 up here.
I get it. It's me 5 pair.
5 pair? I don't know. That's a good thing to come up here. Talk to the socks man, 60 up here. Hard fish here.
Yes, Backbush TV, the socks man. They sell him socks. You can't sell nothing like how you see Jamaican would have sell nothing. Yes, so I say, but Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We'll just jump over in the next video. Where the man them thief a gold toilet. Can't believe it, Backbush TV. The man them thief a gold toilet out of the castle. Backbush TV, like and subscribe. The man and play. We're going out and watch it.
At the moment, 5 men stole a golden toilet. Yes, you heard that correctly. The one-of-a-kind 18-carat gold bathroom throne was stolen by 5 crims. Pretty good loot there. The golden potty was valued at around $6 million. At the time of the crime, CCTV shows the heist at Bling Dem Palace, which is a sprawling English country mansion once used by Sir Winston Churchill. Now, 3 of the 5 defendants are facing multiple charges. The gold throne has yet to be retrieved. It's believed to have been cut up and sold. Looks very much like the one that Trump also sits on. We can now show you the moment.
Yeah, man, Backbush TV. Them 6 man, they thief that toilet there, brother. Man, them just decide for just go chop it up, you know, and get min sight. Man, them thief the toilet. The man, them report that, brother. Gold toilet, you mad? They are so? You mad? Backbush TV, like and subscribe. I will just jump over here so where we see that video circulate with Cocoa Tea, you know what I mean? And we still say RIP to Cocoa Tea and condolence goes out to the family. But Backbush, but we just go and watch a little snip clips with Cocoa Tea again. You know what I mean? Mad. Going at it.
Why? Take it down. We down low. They might turn down the sound, but them can't kill the people, them vibes. Alright. Take it down. Let me sing it for them now. Well, I've walked the street of gold, many places that a Cocotino. The places that I knew, you know, was only in blue. But I say it every time, and I say it with all my mind. Cause I got no fear when I'm saying it, and I'm saying it everywhere that every Jamaican is a star. Every Jamaican is a star. Listen me right now when I sing. From the one we drive them, take it out. From the one we walk them foot to who drive fancy car. Every Jamaican is a star. Such a good
RIP goes out to Cocoa Tea again, and condolence goes out to the family, you know what I mean? We lost a real legend right there, so Backbush TV, you know what I mean? Without a doubt, you know what I mean? But Backbush TV will jump in our next video where we see the man them advise Movado for us take out him son out of Jamaica. So we just going out and hear what going mad.
Thing Movado can do right now is fly out his son out of Jamaica. Seeing? And telling his son, say, listen me, don't go back a cassava piece. Because the people them don't gonna like you. Right now, Movado's son right now is a hot bread. Reason being, whenever a man just come from prison, a man at the police radio. Seen? Yeah. And one of the quickest way for people tell lie upon him right now is I make police come slap him way. Seen? If police not slap him way, seen? Other man will slap him way. Because remember the allegation them against him. You understand what I mean? And guess what? Friends turn enemy is an easy thing. See? So it's right now, my hot bread. And because I'm a Movado son, man now go rise. As a matter of fact, him leave on a friend a cassava piece again. You see me I say? Because I the same man them down there when Tony father enemy and they went go down there and a different father. You understand? And so come you end up a prison. You understand me I say? That is it. But it all goes to show us a bad mind is real. Yeah. You see me? Because the man them try to kill Movado over his own money.
Backbush TV, like and subscribe when you hear it for yourself. Yeah man, the man them advise Movado for just take out him son out of Jamaica, you know, because they don't see them him free up from penitentiary, you know, him out of prison, you know, so just take him out of Jamaica, you know, and you know, make the youth go live some life, different type of life, you know, because you know too pretty down the film and him can't see it. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe, we just jump in at this and go and watch that big major road blockage where the man are going where the man them just try get rid of all of the guns them at Jamaica, but we'll see what are going. Mad. Road block here looks serious.
Now I go and find live, I know. Let them throw in the meantime. Yeah, box the man over there, so. Yeah. If anybody don't know which location this side of Portland, you see it first and last. So if you know, say you're not straight this man, you just stay off the road till about 10, 11 o'clock, so. Probably when they move from here, so somewhere else, I'm going to see it. But I eat with them turn right now, probably they're gonna come back all tonight. Same location, you see it. Sorry.
On Backbush TV, like and subscribe, man. Police them out. And I go on with beer things. You see me? But Backbush will jump over in the next video where we see that money and give you a little drama about a phone. We'll get it on here where I say. A drama this.
Yeah, that day I made there, you know. I come out of the house and I go to supermarket, go look few things to make little breakfast, you know. Anyway, when me reach at the supermarket, me see one old enough lady. I tell me say she lost her phone. Me ask her where she go, me did ask. I help her look for the phone, you know. Same time she see for my phone and I said, that's my phone. Me say, no, that's not your phone, that's my phone. Security see what I go on and come and say, what happened? Me say, this lady accused me of thieving her phone and this is my phone. So the security said to her, what's your number? And she give security the number. When security called the number, no, her daughter answer the phone at home. She said, Mom, you leave your phone home. So the lady tell me, I'm sorry to treat you so bad, accusing you as a thief. I'm going to write you a check for $100,000. And same time the woman write me one check for $100,000 and hand it to me. Same time me just jump out and miss leave. Lord have mercy. Things can happen, so sir. Oh, Jesus. Hey.
Backbush TV, see the man that they dream to backside, say him get $100,000. When you check a stack up, dream him that they dream. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We will just check out that man and make we know say yo, him family I get mad when him drink too much rum, you know. So we just jump in it and see what go on really mad.
Asta. How am to him?
You know, so beer, drink that good, you see about him drink rum and mash up people things and a beer to him go on. So more time when you reach away, I will bring to the hospital. To get joke. Run to gas a while ago. Run to gas a while ago. You understand? So up at the gas station when I reach, because I jump out and I have to time up. As a matter of fact, I ever have time when time I bring the hospital.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, true, me see you, me wonder.
I am a family man, but I beat him around with man. Yeah, alright.
If you left him, my man come out.
Yeah?
If you left him, my man come out.
That's why I make that time. I gas station more I reach.
Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Mental health and sickness with really mad people at Jamaica, it really serious, you see me I say? You know what I mean? Real serious. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Look how that man here play tricks on him uncle or him grandfather. And a joke thing, give the man a remote and I tell the man says a phone. I fool him take the man for we're going at.
You answer it?
Answer it. You have to answer it.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, nobody.
Yeah, nobody.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody. Answer it. Put your ears.
Hello?
And put your next ears.
Hello?
No, nobody.
Yeah.
You look if it hang up.
Hello?
It hang up?
Look.
I put your ears back.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, nobody.
Let the person hang up.
Me no know.
Look, man, type back the number. Open the number.
Well, send back the number. Which button may I send it back with? Green button?
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah. Hello? Hello?
No answer. You sure? Look on your phone good.
No, this button is empty to contact.
Yeah, touch the screen.
Just touch it.
Touch the screen.
Yeah. Hello? Hello?
Alright, look on the screen. Alright, number you touch.
This. Not this but it up. Which one is empty?
Where I touch on the phone.
This. Hello this. You touch it?
You know me. Yeah. Are your phone or on phone?
This is no phone, you know. This thing there.
What?
Not the screen thing, man.
So yeah, me call it.
But me Rastafari. Look at it.
Your phone a ring.
Backbush TV, like and subscribe. You saw the boy play tricks on him grandfather. Boy play big tricks on him grandfather, give him grandfather remote for lift up and for answer as phone. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. I will jump over and say RIP to a legend. You know what I mean?
I just go in on my private bathroom and see one chunk load of shit in the commode. And not even toilet paper day night. So that means oh shit in they never wipe all them bottle in my blood clot house, dog. I want a pussy clot to some people. No, nobody come back on my yard. I'm gonna sit in my bathroom. Bomba clot, man.
Backbush TV, we say RIP to our next legend, Teddy Brockshop, you know? Yeah, man, Teddy get pissed off. The man, them use him toilet and left it. Never flush it, never do nothing. Him mad. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe, we jump over in the next video, yeah? A girl, I have some question for ask any man who there with them woman if she go out and find her next man who will give her money and, you know? Backbush TV, like and subscribe. If too much for me, I need to leave on the thoughts and the comments on that one, yeah? But we're going at it. Mad.
May I ask you a question? No, right? You have your woman, right? And you love one another and everything on that try on go on phone, right? Which that is normal, right? And your woman find one man. Me not get me wrong, me not so she go search, but you know, so people meet people every day, socialize, whatever. The man having money and the man decides say, yeah, he can help her and whatever. The man having money and decides he can help her and all and something there, right? And the woman come home, can tell you what it is, right? Because you need help, but you want to spend your life with one another, but you need help. Would you as a man allow that woman to go out there and help the two of you talk truth? Talk truth. You better with your woman, but you don't want to spend your life together and not now go on phone and the woman out there and find somebody and come home and tell us, say, look here, babes, you know, say XYZ do and the man send on money and all then something. Would you allow it? Would you allow it? Because the woman, be honest. I mean, guys, remember, you know, she never. They have to tell you, you know. She could have hide it. You understand? And she come home and she tell you. So would you allow that woman to help the relationship financially, whatever the case may be, however you want to put it in? Would you allow the woman to do that? It's just a question.
Backbush TV, that question there too much for me. We can't answer that. We don't have to go leave no thoughts and no comments on that one here because that one is serious past me. I can't answer that. I don't want my woman to do that. Suppose the next man find out and decide to go kill somebody because that the man they have money, so he must have everything. You know what I mean? He might go have him gonna have all type of things now. Suppose him find out say she have a next man like me live with her now, and then him get jealous and decide say he might come spray the house, he might kill everybody. You can't allow certain slackness to go on, man. Certain slackness draw down more fuckery. You see me, I say Backbush, but Backbush TV, like and subscribe, we jump over in the next video where we see busy signal and Bling Dog are all at one reason. But we just go and watch Bling Dog and busy signal for you. You know what I mean? Some little clips where them man them have out there. So Backbush TV, like and subscribe, we're going at it. Mad.
School me fight every day. You
can't win.
Because that me I try to tell him, you're provoking dog. You just give me ganja if you give me ganja, man. Brother, just give me ganja if you give me ganja.
What's your hand them?
You know what we rough. You think me and them soft like girl? Me and them have rough. I want to see that. Me wait.
Look on the hand them what?
You know me a gorilla dog.
Me soft. Look on them.
Look here.
They look soft.
Not a pretty boy thing. Man a gorilla.
Hold this.
You mean man? Run down. Yo, you can't give me a little bit of weed. You know about weed.
You bad me up.
Me not bad you up. Me just being aggressive.
That
come from the work.
You know, aggressive with
super confident. You see me? You have to hear the elephant in the room when we walk in. Vibe.
Yes. So you put on the weed this something?
Eh?
No,
I tell you something and empty, so give me more.
Man, everything.
Because if you see more weed in there, you're cut back. No, Mike.
That weed I talk about.
Cool, man.
I see him.
Alright, just give me that. Give me that little piece.
That's easy, man. You know what I want. You see Huxley.
No, it's dog, you know.
It's first one. The man there say Huxley. Man then call me I'm still so. She was say, yo, Blacks, where you say that? I say, yeah, man, brother. Which part you got it? Oh.
So you can't do a foreign eyes when you figure that.
No, but I say, no, you bring it in like say. You have that piece of yam, yeah.
So the piece of yam you get come could I eat it off?
You get a piece of yam, yeah. You know, from your resources and you give me a yam, sample piece.
But me never ever tell you something of it.
Me never tell him to bring it.
No, but you don't tell him say bring it already, I'm have it. So me never tell you something. If me never tell you something get yam, you don't know.
No, but
you fuck you keep up, you know.
When the other man have a video,
the school man, if you have video, me have video school man. The school man, if I do my thing, man.
So you want a silent video for?
Hey, my school man, so that's my business.
I don't want nobody sneak in a video. I
don't have video, yo.
Nobody go sneak up no video.
You don't know my video, dog. Just come out of my video, bro. I'm buckler. I'm telling you,
nice now. I'm my mouth.
So that's my video, man.
Yeah, but I'm my mouth.
So, yo. I see him. Go on, talk. I mean, I just can't mute this blood.
Yeah, mute it.
As me can't hold my mouth before I'm blood out.
Turn up if you want.
Oh, buckler.
Hold them, sis.
Great Peter, man. Where's the kitchen, what?
Yeah, man, Roots 21.
Alright, Roots 21, mad. Where's that? Who that? Outside, you know?
Same way.
Billy. Yeah, what? It's a vibe, you know? Great Peter, one. What that?
Set up 2 DJs, yeah.
Blue from the north inside that one. I was someone set up on a zip line on that watch. One zip line for yes, I'm gonna watch it right now off of the area I cook. And they wanted to learn jump there. One zip line for yes, on the right I cook at the area and the touch come off of the area I watch. You can't have people now. You have to go to the whole Bling. They feel as if they're like a margin. Yeah, man. I see you that's why I struck you. Guys, no, this is a scam place. I was about the money doing that. Which part of Portmore most of the cases? Where?
Check on the beginning of time, mankind. No matter how we try, them will cross that line. John take Paul and I know John star shine. And nobody not check on it, Paul, it's fine. Them will not.
The bomb buckler. That's what touch up business reach, I know. At this touch up business, hey, me tell you something.
Yo!
Oh my blood clot vehicle brought them for me, brother.
So you know, say look like all the car will leave back at the world.
Brother, right now, I wonder if it's chaining. I'm gonna put it and chain it up like a blood clot pit bull in there, but it come like it not chain up so. As he run through two of them big pot one like the chop out. And the brace are holding it up. Fuck I chuck it. Fuck I chuck it, watch out. You know, try so fast, I'm in one hand of them, see? Just size to this blood. Just say this. Go. Go up there, last. Go up there. Busy signal.
Yeah man, Backbush TV. Like and subscribe man. Busy Signal and Bling Dog man. Tour the whole Jamaica, go and do them thing, you know what I mean? And we love to see the unity and the love I share between the two man them, you know? Nice. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We'll jump over in the next video where we see a girl here explain some things and I make the man them wiser now. And I make the man them know so them can't do certain things again. Hear what she say, but we hear what she say, mad.
You know, so I just realize, say, some man a idiot. I just realize some man a real idiot. Now, look how son hot out the door. Look how hot out the door look. Not even like a breeze now blow. Now, imagine you as a man now. Up on rooftop. In a this Sonia. You tie steel. You drop steel. You pour concrete. You level concrete. Someone know drop zinc. Nail down zinc. And then when you get to no pay, you take it get woman. You know, this sound an idiot. Real idiot. You know, so I just realize, say, some man a idiot.
Backbush TV, like and subscribe. If a woman can't tell with this, I will go on here now. Them a vampire. Them a come out of them woodwork and I tell we what go on here now. Backbush TV, like and subscribe. But we just jump over here, so. Where we see Blam Dem, I talk to Jaden woman. We're going out and hear what go on.
And I help him. And then let me tell you something. See him like how Jaden take you up out of his swamp.
Yeah.
And your swamp still. You can't say you can't take a lion out of the jungle, but you can't take a jungle out of them. And you that.
Yeah.
You did in the jungle, you lion in the jungle, and then take you out of the jungle, you still a name down the place. So Jaden take up a shit in a plate like you go always be a shit in a plate.
Eh?
Yeah, you go.
I always sell cigarettes.
Yeah, alright. That's why I left it. That's why I left her to sell cigarette. Because that's how she had do it long time. Me not no problem with she selling cigarette. I fear I think that me not. Why me go take her out the street of selling cigarette? When she and then she go still go back, even though me give her money. So you know, me try to take her out the cigarette selling, and she go back. You know, intend for change. So why me go try change her? She go and do it same way. Same like you. You take $100 for your $1. All thing you probably take little more money because you make little money off a TikTok. You now go take $100 again, you probably take 5 bills now or 1,000. But you still all taking little money then. Because you that. Remember you rent for pay now you and Jaden.
Shut up now. I get tired.
So probably you can't buy when I swap them from Joshua. Your face ugly. Your face with a bump. Gold Digger save them for the official match. Save everything for your official match, Gold Digger.
Check the banana gloves.
So, boy, I'm sorry for Jaden, can I go take you out of the jungle and the lion still now you. So watch you know, you can't buy when I swap them from Joshua and take out them fat spot in your face. Eh? You want to see my face?
Chat, use the glove, chat. Use the glove.
You want me to show myself? I never show myself right now.
Where do you see upon
Interview.
One interview. You want to see, I say I them look.
That's how you go. Sometimes you have to have cafe.
I them look cast. Your maga, I like you have sickle cells.
Then they don't see how you look. The two of you want parody. What the fuck you try with?
You have sickle cell.
I you have hermaphrodite.
You have sickle cell Blam Dem. Your
You have
maga.
hermaphrodite.
Your maga enjoy up like stick.
Then a patakos keckle, anything me have, you have. Cause you Maga and Jaden Maga. So anything you have, me have. So and Jaden too. I travel Maga.
Maga enjoy up like stick. You should not cross nobody when you look so.
Then you should you have to see your flow.
You should not cross nobody when you look
You
so.
flow like ants. I saw you flow and walk. You know any madman them get joke. And then if you walk and fling big stone a paper car. And when the match El Chuck come to them, and the El Chuck catch them and juke them, you see entire walk slow.
Nice shot.
You slow like a blood clot bug. You're hermaphrodite. One savvy, big up yourself. Gold digger, big up. You all grass mite. Watch him. You afraid of me? I'm call him back. I make Fabi over there. Fabi fooling. No want no money. And Jaden text him to left, you know. Fabi kill is a bomber clot. Hermaphrodite. I make though. Skirt. Me say don't run. Cabby have a gun. I got bust it in your face with fun. Me say don't run. Cabby have a gun. I got bust it in your face with fun. Alright, mama, what go on? What you deal with? What you have spam me, sir? You ready to give me a chance? Eh? Hello, more. Then I upon my Wi-Fi so. Mama slime near my crutches. Eh? Slime near my crutches. Eh, lady?
Love. Oh, he accepted me. Hey.
What go on, mama?
What go on, me, youth? Pop.
Let me see on their neck. Transmission. What they actually obsessed with you, you did me so. You can't obsess with you.
You're annoying.
But baby, me obsessed with you, come on, you be my girl.
Yeah,
Me like you. So Fabio, why can't did me? Big man thing for you. Why you did me so, bro?
You're annoying. You're maga. You're ugly.
Then mama say you say maga man have a buzz, you like maga man.
I didn't see so.
Obviously you like maga man, cause you go, but me not, mama say, you know, me can't make porridge, you know, me can't make banana porridge, me and you.
Not here. Look at yourself. Not
No, me make oats porridge. What kind of porridge you want?
Good.
You have to tap the image, man.
I don't need it.
Fabi want porridge.
Fabi,
Hmm?
you like my belly?
If I like it,
Yeah.
what I like your belly for? I don't like my belly.
You don't like my belly?
No.
And you don't like skinny man like Blam?
No.
So you there with Jaden. Fabi, you don't care where you get a cloth you want. You want man with cloth. Fabi, me hotter than Jaden right now. I'm a right man for you come there, you know. And me must say that.
Blam is good, Fabi. Remember say he get
industry mattress. Fabi, industry mattress.
Remember say he get cackeye, right?
Fabi, I industry mattress. It take industry mattress. So like once you hot, you can live on night. That Jaden I text him to come off alive with. Industry mattress. That Jaden time to come off, watch him. I run on, you know. Jaden time to run, see Matt. Jaden time to run, see Matt. Tell us, man, tap paper, tap me in there. Tap me then chicken. She and Jaden there. I'm then chicken. Industry my trash. 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 My trash. Industry my trash. Everybody comment industry, my TikTok industry, my trash. Everybody comment TikTok industry, my trash. Everybody comment TikTok industry, my trash. TikTok.
Yes.
Wagwan, Vani.
Can't play now. At 36 streaks, me having a
A lie.
36. I'm just start my life with on 36 na blood clot.
Eh?
Did I take them before the match even start?
Blood clot.
Guys, that can come in. If my husband there, I could have played, because you could have win.
Eh?
My husband in that boom, you could have win.
That you want me add my ears?
Yeah, add my ears then.
So one girl that we look up at for.
Let me see.
Hello. Not
So
just
Spice,
that one.
let me go add Spice. Spice, welcome.
Okay, add Spice and take me down then.
Come down peacefully. Mama, then I get the real thing where you say, where you say, you want.
Spice now.
Me send you the message, you read it, but you don't respond.
Alright, then go. Send it again, me come back here. Send it again and come back.
Yeah.
Take me down then.
Now you take down yourself. Me have
Me
your
don't know,
tax.
me not. Alright, me jump.
Let me see what's missing.
Backbush TV, like and subscribe. This World Dog and Blam Dem situation is a big little thing I go on with between the two of them. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. But we'll see if we can find World Dog and you a World Dog. I say no. Mad.
I want back people and talk about pitney and talk about pitney off limits. So one thing woman will just have pitney. One thing woman will just have pitney. You need no trouble, nobody, you need no beg, you need no come over here, so she don't do nothing like that. Nothing. But you talk about Florida much, I say you gotta talk about your mother, Kimmy Smith. We're in a party. Every young man feel up her pussy. Come on, Blam Dem, take a joke of yourself now. Take a real blood clot joke of yourself. I mean, don't care what nobody wants, I'm gonna defend the woman, go suck out to the mother too. Brawling. So we have come talk about people. You have to understand, so you have a mother. When a dancer, bumbo clap boy, you walk up and down, Blam Dem. I mean, don't care what nobody wants to say. Pussy. You know how long you call me name and me not answer you. Me act like you not exist. But what you see, you go for my blood clot household, you have to go kill me in this pussy hole, yeah. You have to kill me in this. I look a batty boy on him elbow. You need used to talk to him about you want to look a suck cat boy elbow. Make your friend them give you no address pussy and no come on you. You know what talk about address to my friend and then on a batty boy. Go suck out to the mother. On a real mother too. Cause no bad boy, no batty boy. Come to no. Yeah? And for everybody who say I have Florida mattress is my house, I buy Florida like mattress a Lamborghini. Okay, I buy her a Lambo. No, the mattress sleeping comfortable. Whoa! Oh, you know what time you squeeze her female that pussy in a party? Squeeze you up. Stop her. Put her body and sitting there. You know what I'm saying? Squeeze up your pussy in a party and a response. Bad boy now. Squeeze up your pussy in a party, so. Slap it up. Your mother, not your sister, your mother. Not the sister, the cousin, the mother. Jeffrey's gonna suck your mother.
Post my mother, me post the address, fair trade. You post the talk about my mother crutches, and me talk about Yannick flip my trash crutches. Violence me I deal with too. Why you no blood clot? World dog, come do this and beat me. Yeah man, world dog man. Everybody know you live on TikTok now. So you better go broke your lease. Go and go tell the people where you rent the place from. Say, damn the next was the address that you want to broke the lease. Go and go broke the lease and work one in Texas. Cause you don't have to left Florida give it. You don't have to left Florida give it that shit. Left Florida give it. Yes. You don't go and left Florida and left it give it.
Hey boy, Pops, let me tell you this, Pops. From what you see, I come disrespect me to you know. From what you see, you want to go like you know, bumbo class size up in the Pops. Pops, I bet you go on, you know. Bet you bumbo class go on, cause right now, me have a suck your mother for telling you, Pops. Cause me see, hold on, I go like you know, and picture, you know. And Pops, you can't disrespect me, you know. And drive through blood clot, fall out, I walk up with my name in your bumbo class mouth, you know. So go on where you going to suck good, Pops. Me don't want none of you feel like you can ramp with me image on this boy. Move from side and scream pussy hole. And anyone who feel like you can ramp with me and walk in a front with a gunshot. Pussy hole do no. Size up with my name. You know, no bum buckle out mouth. I don't know why I get mad. I don't want me get mad. Because I get mad at some go on. You want to see I'm boxing on your pussy clot and save none of your friend them want to do nothing you see. You can't fuck your baby mother again. You can't stand up for your baby mother. See me Isaiah mother, Isaiah mother now talk right now. And nobody can this blood clot Isaiah mother make me see. Or make me blood clot here. If I war, me stand up anywhere I fight for my blood clot family. Because I any idea me have to stand up for blood clot Isaiah mother. Because I'm a blood clot pitney. Me pitney go come up and say, watch ya. Daddy, did you make them disrespect my mother, so? And daddy not do nothing. Say any idea me have to stand up for blood clot, Zai mother. Although me and I not plant can. But if anything blood clot come to shovel, me I go stand up. And you there as a suck pussy man. When a party every day I go like you take care of your youth. And go like you want to make your people them size up with them. Go suck your mother too. And everybody around you. Rip. Suck out your mother. No boy can't this Yannick. Yannick me dead for you. You help change my life. Enough people that come around and saw me have and fuck with it. You know say, here I go, we go do this and do that. You put me on my bum buckler feet. I want to tell your mama, me dey on your blood clot side every minute, Yannick. Some boy no stand up side of them bum buckler woman side. Me, I go stand up side of bum buckler. You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? Yeah, boy no care how they bad them be. No boy no care how much people them kill. No boy Yannick, they have got kill me side of you. Yannick, they have got that.
As I say about Bush TV, give thanks for life again. You know what I mean? And big up to all of my subscribers them again. Right there so, World Dog just mad. The man now have it. But back Bush TV, like and subscribe. We just jump over in the next video. Where the dog ya advise World Dog, you know. You know what I mean? I think him need for listen. Well, go on. Go in it.
World Dog. Me realize you're ready for the badness again. World Dog. Use that picture as a reminder, my brother. Oh, me see you come out. Remind me of before you have your shooting incident. World Dog, it come like your bullet wound heal again. Come like it heal and you feel bad again one type of way. But World Dog, when I tell me you see when I go into your church, when I go get baptized after Wagwan. But World Dog, don't bother go back into the internet to the brawling, this and the badness, my brother. Leave that alone. Blam Dem say what I say. You this whole heap of people in the internet, you this whole heap of people mother, you this them sister, you this them everything. Me no say pain your heart, Blam Dem say your woman a Florida matches. Me know that hot, brother. That is very painful. Me understand. But, World Dog, me know say as painful as that the way Blam Dem say your woman a Florida matches. Me know say the gunshot did more painful. Take a look on the picture, World Dog, and remind yourself, brother, lower out the badness alone. If some man attack, make them talk and you just cruise past them. Believe when me tell you that.
But Bush TV, like and subscribe and share. You know what I mean? I think World Dog in some whole heap of shit now.